So today, hope you have a wonderful day. So let's begin. Today's topic is how to learn a typing speed. You have to learn typing speed very fast, because if you don't learn typing, you cannot type in keyboard. Okay? What we have to type now? A. A letter we have to type from little finger of left hand. Then B we have to type in index finger right hand. Okay? So now you can see my keyboard. This is A, B, all you can see. Okay? So now what to do? So you can see B with index finger right, C with index finger left, D with middle finger left, E with middle finger left, F with index finger left, G with index finger left, H with index finger right, G with index finger right, I will middle finger right, J is index finger right, K is middle finger right, L is ring finger right, M is middle finger right, N is index finger right, O is ring finger right, P is little finger right, Q is little finger left, R is middle finger left, S is ring finger left, T is index finger left, U is middle finger left, V is index finger left, W is ring finger left, and X is ring finger left. Y is index finger left, and last Z is little finger left. So hope you have enjoyed. Like our channel and subscribe for the latest information of abacus, typing, anything, and write in comment of next topic you want. So one more time you can see my keyboard. It has delicious things. For it has A to Z things. So what to do that? Hope you can see this A. Okay? This A. Then this is B. This is B. Then black color C. Black color C. Blue color A. A, B, C are located here. So we have to type A with our little finger, B with our left index finger, and C with our left index finger. Okay, so hope you have understand A, B, C keys. Then moving towards our next keys, D, E and F. D key we have to type with middle finger. D. I am typing D. Then E key with only middle finger. Then F key with our index finger left. These three keys of R is left. So this is part divided in abacus. Not in abacus, in typing. Sorry. Because these are divided. So now I am telling a thing that space bar. Now, space bar we have to tie with our right thumb. If we tie with our left thumb, which thumb we will type enter? Enter is for our left thumb. Okay. Then next typing course is of R is right hand. Which right hand has which keys? Left hand has not done fully. So these are A to Z. So number keys we will talk later. First complete all the keys. P with little, L, not L, this with little, and these two with little. These are combos of little finger, right. Little finger, right. Okay. So now let's done our next keys first before our session ends, because I don't know when it can be ended. Videos are divided in my 100 parts, but I can't make videos of 100 parts in a because I cannot complete. So I am completing 2 minutes. So this is some longer video, not more than longer 10 or 15 minutes more than. Okay. P L, I have taught that, not PL. It is doing wrong. Now full number is P. Okay. So P, these, this and this are combos of little finger. This are combos of our ring finger. These are combos of our middle finger, and these and these are of our middle finger and index finger. These like this is also. So we have completed our right hand. Now moving next, left hand. Left hand has QAZ little, WXX ring, EDC this, and EDC middle, FVD index full, these two lines. Okay. Then next is numbers. Because I cannot make longer, so I am explaining in some short. In next video I will explain in detail, and you have to answer my such questions in my chat box. So now for number keys we have to use only three fingers, that are a ring, middle and index. For 1, 2, 3 for 1, 2 we will use little, not little. For 1, 2, 3 we will use this ring finger. Then for 4, 5, 6 we will use our middle finger. And for 7, 8, 9, 0 we will use our index finger. I cannot make more than 12 minutes. My data is low because. So now I have explained full. So I am now explaining last sum. This is this keyboard. In our keyboard, this keys are there. So for these keys, we are only using our right hand. Left hand is used for this full objects, not spacebar. This full objects, okay. And right is used for these full options, not these two. Once again, this number key full and these full. Right hand has bigger keys. So hope you have enjoyed. So bye. Hope you have enjoyed. Like our video please.